Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add music to Facebook post. We start by opening Facebook, then click on the top Create icon and choose the Post option. Next, we will scroll through the list of options and choose Music. After that, we can search for the song we want to play and click on it. Finally, we can write what we want in the publication with music and finish creating it by clicking on Publish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.